man, it feels good to be back on the road again. It's been way too long since I've been out on the bike. And this just sounds too good. This new exhaust, so worth it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's been a while. First real ride since getting the new exhaust and forward controls on, and I'm liking it a lot. I mean, the difference is amazing. Like, it's hard to describe, but like the performance difference from the stock exhaust to this new exhaust, I mean, the acceleration, the pickup, just feels so much better. I mean, it actually feels like a whole different bike. Which is crazy because it's just such a simple change, but makes such a huge difference. I mean, it's night and day. Yeah, and the forward controls, you know, feel so much more comfortable than the mids did for myself. This is great. I mean, I love the sound. I mean, listen to this. It's great. I mean, that's just like crazy different. I mean, it actually sounds like a Harley, what I expected a Harley to sound like. I'm just noticing so much more power in each gear. Like with the stock exhaust, I felt like I had to shift out of each gear quicker to get a little more power. But here I feel like I'm staying in third into fourth way longer and getting so much more power out of it. Yeah, and I tuned the FP3 to the Bassani pipes with the air cleaner, so it's already remapped for the Bassani, so it seems like it's performing pretty well. So nice.
It's nice.
But so far, I'm loving this. This is a great change to the bike. But you know, I think I found one thing I really don't like about the Iron 883. The other day, when I was riding somewhere else, before I put the pipes on, I realized that literally there's nowhere to carry anything on this bike. I was thinking, oh man, I'll just take the bike out, go pick something up real quick, something small. And I realized, you know, I can't do that because I just have nowhere to put anything. So I guess lack of storage of anything is the one thing I don't like so far. I figured a way to solve that is to order a swing arm bag, because I just need something to carry a little something. So yeah, I ordered a swing arm bag from Viking Bags. And it looks pretty nice. It just came in, so I'm going to be putting that on. if the Iron 83 has one downside, it's that. There's no storage. I mean, yeah, you could say there's a bunch of other downsides, like it's not super powerful, it's not super big. But those are things you can, you know, work around. I mean, I think this is plenty powerful, especially being my first bike. I didn't need something crazy. And, you know, there's always the option, too, of putting a big bore kit on here, like the 1275 or something. That's an option. You know, and I would think maybe in the future that I'd be interested in doing that once I get a little more time behind the bike here. But, you know, one day it'd be cool to put a 1275 kit on the bike and see what the difference it makes. But like right now, I think just these like little modifications, you know, a lot of aesthetic modifications and some performance are good enough for me. You know, as a beginner, I'm fully a beginner, you know. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable with a super, you know, something over 1200 on a bike right now. I just, you know, this feels plenty for me right now. I mean, I'm sure at one point, yeah, I'm going to be like, all right, time to upgrade. And who knows, it's what it will be, another bike or just do like a kit on this bike. But man, this is some big houses out here. Yeah, I usually see some more other people riding this time of night. It's really nice out right now, but usually this road, usually catch a few people on bikes coming the other way. Well, it's a Friday night, maybe people are out. It has been raining a whole lot today too, so I don't know, maybe that prevented people from getting out tonight. It's the dead of summer here in Florida, and like the rain just pops up out of nowhere. It could be sunny like this, and then 20 minutes later there's a huge thunderstorm right on top of you. Yeah, but it's beautiful right now. It's the temperature dropped a little bit, sun's going down. It's the best time to ride right in Florida right now. Just the middle of the day is just too damn hot.
I did not say, Lord, please bring the devil from hell and have him sit his ass crack on earth. That's not what I asked for.
What is this guy doing? Why is he stopping?
Look at this dude.
Weird. Oh, God, the bumps. Oh, Jesus, construction.
No! You serious? Are you kidding me?
God, I'm channeling my inner Dan the fireman around here. Going all orange stage on you. There's all kinds of cars just peeking out. Dan, you the man. I don't think there are too many downsides of the Iron as a beginner's bike. I think it fits perfectly. Yeah, so those are my thoughts today, you know, about the Iron 83. It's a great bike. So far, the only downside I have that I can come up with is that I need some storage, which easily solved. Gonna put that biking bag on, and that should solve that problem. You know, it's not bags, but you know, I can like store a few things. But yeah, short little random video today. But you know, if you like what you see, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You stick around, I'll keep making videos. How about that? All right, peace, YouTube.